Frederick Banting should be considered one of the greatest Canadians of all time. He was born in 1891 in Ontario, and after receiving his medical degree from the University of Toronto in 1909, he applied and was accepted in the Canadian Medical Corps. After his service in the military, Banting returned to the University of Toronto, where he pursued clinical care and research. Shortly thereafter, Banting began work that led to the monumental discovery of insulin. Insulin is a hormone that causes our body's cells to absorb glucose from the blood. This phenomenon allows the body to use glucose for energy and prevents the body from using fat cells as an energy source. When insulin is lacking, very little glucose, a vital nutrient to humans, is taken up by the body and therefore circulates in high levels in the blood. This phenomenon is called diabetes. Banting was the first person to discover that once trypsin-secreting cells were dead, insulin could be extracted from the islets of Langerhans in the pancreas. Once Banting discussed his findings with the professor of physiology, Dr. J.R. MacLeod, he was provided with adequate experimental facilities and funding for his research. Along with the help of one of his best students, Dr. Charles Best, Banting perfected the concept of out-of-body insulin in 1922. The discovery of injectable insulin led to the ability to regulate blood sugars within the body of diabetics, allowing for a livable and almost normal life for these patients with regular injections. This contribution to the medical community has saved millions of lives worldwide and promoted Canada as the home of medical leaders on a world stage. The incredible discovery led Banting to be honored as the recipient of the 1923 Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine, which he shared with Dr. MacLeod. This award has led to him sitting on many boards across Canada belonging to many societies and associations. After a great career of esteem and glory, Banting died on February 21, 1941 at the young age of 49.
Trees are gone, I feel my heart stop beating to my favorite song.